Hi everybody, in this video we're going to look at better black and white results using this new technique with gradient maps. So let me just bring up my layers here. Okay, so we have a background layer, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that my foreground color is white and my background color is black, and if that is not the case for you, you could easily press D. That would make the colors black and white, but black is the foreground color. And if you press X, it'll swap those so that white is the foreground color and black is the background color. That's how you have to start. Next, I'm going to go up to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, and Gradient Map, and say OK. And it's going to look like an inverted black and white image. You can see here's the gradient map. And then I'm just going to duplicate this layer by pressing Command or Control, Command J, and what that does is it duplicates this layer, copies and pastes it, and you can see we're left with a really nice black and white image. So good luck and give it a try.